I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the account region and email so credits match your store. Next, check your Xbox balance under Profile Payments and Billing to see current funds. Once done, redeem any gift card or code immediately using Store. Redeem a code on console or Xbox. Com/redeem, enter the 25-character code carefully. Make sure to sign into the same Microsoft account that will use the credit, otherwise funds won't apply. This prevents region or account mismatches before purchases. You then navigate the store to find games, DLC, subscriptions, or apps, search or browse categories, and open the item page. When you pick Purchase or Add to Cart, review the final price and any taxes or promotions, because credits apply before other discounts. Once ready, proceed to checkout and make sure your Xbox balance is selected as the payment method. If depleted, a secondary payment method will cover the remainder. Finally, confirm the purchase so the download or subscription activates immediately. You finish by verifying the transaction in order history and checking your remaining balance to ensure correct deduction. Once confirmed, manage recurring purchases like Xbox Game Pass under Services and Subscriptions and set which payment method is primary. If a purchase fails or credits don't apply, first recheck account region and sign in consistency, then confirm the 25-character code was used on the same Microsoft account. If problems persist, contact Microsoft support with Transaction ID.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.